Imagine cruising down a quiet coastal road, the wind gently tugging at your hair, the sun dipping low on the horizon, painting everything in soft gold. But this isn't just any evening ride, it's a glimpse into the future. You're not in a bulky motorhome or a high-tech car. You're in a 2026 futuristic camper tricycle. Yes, a three-wheeled, retro-inspired RV that looks like it just rolled out of a sci-fi film directed by someone who loves vintage. This thing, this marvel, isn't just a ride. It's a statement. It's a lifestyle on three wheels. And trust me, once you see it, you'll never look at travel the same way again. Picture this, a sleek, curved frame crafted with lightweight aerospace-grade aluminum. The body is a dreamy mix of glossy cream and polished copper trims, like a 1950s cafe racer met a spaceship and fell in love. The front has that classic round headlamp look, only now it's a full LED matrix that adjusts automatically to the light and road conditions. And the wheels? Retro-style white wall tires wrapped around matte black alloy rims, classy, bold, and functional. But what makes this trike truly revolutionary isn't just its looks. It's what's packed inside. The moment you swing open the curved gull-wing side panel, you step into a tiny world of magic. The interior is a love letter to retro design, with warm wood paneling, soft leather cushions, and brass detailing, but all powered by the most modern tech you can imagine. Think mood-sensitive lighting, foldable solar panels tucked into the roof, a smart AI assistant that speaks to you like an old friend, and a fully modular living space that transforms with the touch of a button. There's a compact kitchenette with a touch-sensitive induction stove, a mini fridge that cools based on your food preferences, and a coffee maker that remembers how you like your morning brew. Not enough? The bench seating converts into a plush bed automatically, and a small screen projects your favorite movies right onto the wooden wall. And yes, it has a built-in pop-up shower stall and a toilet with EcoFlush tech. It's basically a 5-star hotel suite, compressed into a time-traveling machine. What's powering all this? A whisper-quiet electric drivetrain with dual rear hub motors, giving you smooth torque and excellent control. It can go up to 140 miles on a single charge, with regenerative braking and fast charging capability. And don't worry, this baby is road legal, and it even has an optional autonomous mode for when you just want to sit back, sip your latte, and watch the scenery roll by. Now, let's talk vibes. This isn't a vehicle for people in a rush. This is for the dreamers. The weekend wanderers. The digital nomads who prefer sunsets over spreadsheets. When you park this trike at a scenic overlook, it draws a crowd. People want to talk to you. They want to peek inside. And you? You're living the kind of life that turns strangers into curious friends and boring days into lifelong memories. And here's the thing. It's not trying to be flashy. It's effortlessly cool. There are no oversized screens blaring at you, no weird gimmicks. Just simple, thoughtful design. Everything has a purpose. Everything invites you to slow down, unplug, and just be. Let's not forget the ride itself. With 3 wheels, stability is incredible. Cornering feels smooth and grounded. The elevated cockpit gives you a panoramic view of the world, and the ride quality is so refined that you'll barely notice bumps or gravel. It's electric, but it has a subtle hum, like a record player starting up. There's something charming about it. Something alive. And when night falls, oh, that's when it shines. Literally. Ambient lighting glows softly from beneath the chassis. The taillights pulse gently like a heartbeat. And inside, the ceiling turns into a starfield, creating your own little galaxy to fall asleep under. Want to connect with nature? Pop out the side canopy and you've got an instant patio. Pull up a folding chair, light a campfire, and listen to the crickets while your trike silently recharges under the moonlight. This is camping reimagined. Retro charm meets future freedom. And here's something wild, this trike isn't mass-produced. Each one is hand-built. Customized. You get to choose the colors, the materials, the vibe. Want turquoise and brushed steel? Done. Prefer dark cherry wood and oxblood leather? No problem. It's yours, your way. It's not just a camper, it's a reflection of who you are. Even the sound system is something special. A vintage-style speaker grille hides a 360-degree surround system that fills the space with rich, warm sound. Whether you're playing jazz as you cook dinner or lo-fi beats while you cruise a mountain pass, the mood is always just right. Let's not kid ourselves, this isn't the most practical vehicle in the world. It's not meant to haul furniture or win races. But it wasn't designed for that. It was designed for the moments. For the pauses between destinations.